In this video, I'm going to reveal how to share your affiliate links completely for free online. And if you make it till the end of this video, I'm going to show you a completely awesome bonus tip that can get you hundreds of thousands of views. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel where we focus on digital marketing strategies that work today so that you can start working from home. Start building your email list, starting your own business online, creating a lifestyle that you actually enjoy. Like I've said 1,000 times on here, I went to college, got my 9-to-5 job, and every day I would go there miserable. I'd look out the window and think, man, there's got to be something different than this. And so every time I would go home and I would just go on YouTube and I would just search and apply and learn, and because I really just wanted a different life after a while. And so that's what this channel is all really about, is using the opportunities that we have online to really get that success, but also earn an income, like be home with your family more, go on vacations, have an extra side income that maybe you didn't have before. But in this video, I wanted to share with you a little bit about how to share your affiliate links for free. Now, when I first started affiliate marketing, I was told all the incorrect information. I was told do solo ads. And if you don't know what solo ads is, it's basically you paying someone else with a big email list to promote your affiliate links. I lost a lot of money on that. Just as a beginner, I had no idea what I was doing. And then the next thing they told me to do was Facebook ads. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing as an affiliate marketer when I just started. And now, knowing what I know years and years later, I would never suggest that to a beginner, ever. And the reason being is because you should be learning and focusing on free organic ways to promote your affiliate links as a beginner, okay? And so today, my number one tip and what we're going to be starting with is actually Instagram. Instagram Reels right now is huge. And I want you to understand that many people right now are actually killing it with this. But before we dive into that, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I want to give you free tips, things that I wish I knew when I first started, that now you have the opportunity to learn and implement in your business as well. Now, the cool thing about what I'm going to show you is that all you have to do is use time instead of money. And what I mean by that is you're not spending thousands of dollars to try to get clicks to your affiliate links. You're spending 30 minutes to an hour a day creating content on a platform. So you're not trading your money, you're trading your time initially. And then once you grow your email list, you can start getting those clicks automatically through automation. Now, before I dive in and actually, I'm going to show you a couple of accounts and some scenarios where people are getting hundreds of thousands of clicks to their affiliate links and to their specific offers. I just want to give you a couple of tips that have helped me with Instagram Reels that have really skyrocketed my content. And the first one is to use trending sounds. Now, my wife loves Instagram Reels. I don't consume it very much, just for fun. I only pretty much create on it. But there's always meme sounds, like from The Office or from anything that's really going trendy right now. And you can use those in your Reels for 7 to 12 seconds, and that can really get a lot of good views. Sometimes you can literally just put a trendy sound with text on the screen and not even say anything, and you can get a lot of views. And I'll show you a couple examples of this. But then also, you want to share your voice a lot of times. You want to actually show people that you're a real person. You want to gain some of that, that know, like, and trust factor. And then lastly, you need to be giving some kind of value or entertainment. And if you want to do like a combination of both, you can call it edutainment, is like what we like to call it. Ending with a strong call to action. If you don't know what a call to action is, it just means, hey, follow me for more of this, whatever. Or make sure to click the link in the bio to see how I achieved whatever. Okay. Now, right now we're going to jump in on my screen. Right here, we'll be looking at this dude right here. His name is Kyle. He's with Tasty Shreds. So he talks about nutrition and how to lose weight, and how he lost like 78 pounds, you see, in his journey. And he came up with a couple of products himself, but he's also an affiliate for Amazon. And so what he does is he makes quick little video reels saying, hey, I lost 78 pounds in a year. Here's some of my recipes. Just short, quick, really fast. And you can see that he's getting 100,000 views, 1.3 million views, 500,000 views. Like, the list goes on, and it's crazy how much traction he's getting for this niche of health, right? And every single time it's follow me or get my cookbook, right? And if you actually look at his link right here, you go to his link, he has a couple of different offers, and these are some affiliate links and some of his own courses and projects that he's working on himself. You can see that he has his little background there, but look, he has his own cookbook. He has a challenge. He has an 8-week workout, Facebook group, but then also he has a couple of affiliate links. Like, I actually purchased a couple of things from Amazon from him, just from these affiliate links. So as you can see, always trying to grow with your call to actions and always trying to bring people to your links so that you can earn an income online. So that was just one niche right here. If we look over here with my buddy Josh, this is where he kind of definitely abuses, in a good way, text on the screen with like a trending sound, and they're not even very long. So you can kind of see, like, he's just sitting in his chair, he's just drinking coffee or something, and then he says text on the screen, something that relates to somebody. And normally it's, you need to follow me or click the link in the bio to start. And for this one, he's promoting the 15-day business builder challenge, which is $7. So he brings that up quite a few times, and he makes over 6 figures a year. I think he's made over $200,000, $300,000, or $400,000 total in the last couple years, or in the last year or two. As you can see, he's had a $30,000 month. He's only 33, and he's pretty much going crazy on Instagram Reels. So if we look over here at his views, let it load for a second. See, some are just thousands, but I know that with this strategy, you can get quite a few. And then if we look at mine, I'm kind of similar. I do a little bit different style, sometimes a lot more like talking head style. But if we go to look at my reels, some are 10,000, some are just 1,000. But right here, I wanted to show you guys, this is the extra bonus tip. So we already talked about Instagram Reels. We talked about some strategies. And I want to show you guys, like, what if you don't want to show your face at all? This is going to be an insane AI software that is crazy. So this one right here is AI video that I created. I created it in like 30 minutes. You can create an actor, and then you just put in the script, and then it literally makes it for you. So this is a good option, like if you just don't want to show your face online and you don't want to literally put yourself out there yet, or you don't feel comfortable enough to do that quite yet. But so this is the website here. It's called Colossian.com, and I'll put a link down in the description. But all you have to do is choose which actor you want. You put down what you want the actor to say in a script, and then you can generate the video. You can change the backgrounds. You can do a bunch of cool things. And you can get a free trial to this. Now, I'm not even going to mention like all the insane things you can do, but you can create courses, you can do educational things on here as well. But I think it's really cool that you can legit use an AI actor and tell it what to say, and it can be the face of your business if you want it to be. Now, this does have pricing for it, so like obviously you can try it for free, but they have a couple different plans. So I think it's like $30 a month and $70 a month if you want that bigger plan. But I think it's amazing. It's crazy what AI is doing. So that's the bonus tip for you guys. I hope you've learned something today about how to promote your affiliate links using free methods of traffic on Instagram, and some tips, and then also using AI to get those traffic and leads to your promotional links. Make sure if you made it this far to jump into my free Facebook group where you get my 90-day workbook that has helped over 1,200 entrepreneurs start their business online. And it's a 7-step process that doesn't leave anything out. So it doesn't have to be confusing. You don't have to be tech savvy, but I literally broke it down for you so that this is manageable and something that you can do on your own. So please take advantage of that. See you guys later.